Hi guys, my name is Joe. Today I want to talk about mastering sales and marketing products. Let's dive into 3 key strategies that can transform how you sell your products. First, know your product inside out. From features to benefits, make sure you're an expert. This confidence translates into trust and reliability in the eyes of your customers, and second, understand your market. Who are you selling to? What do they really want? Tailor your sales strategy to meet the demands of different demographics. Remember, one size does not fit all in sales. Lastly, foster relationships. Sales are not just transactional, they are personal. Build rapport and genuinely engage with your clients. Listen more than you talk, and solve their problems through your products. Master these strategies, and you'll elevate your sales game. Now go out there and start selling smartly and effectively. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out my other podcast.